Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to remove ads from your Xiaomi phone. Many users find the built-in advertisements disruptive, but with a few simple steps, you can significantly reduce their presence. We will cover three main areas: disabling system-level ads, stopping personalized recommendations, and managing ads within individual applications. Let's get started on making your phone experience much smoother and more enjoyable. The first crucial step is to disable MSA, which stands for MIUI System Ads. This service is responsible for many of the advertisements you see across your phone's interface. To do this, go to your phone settings, then find Passwords and Security, and select Authorization and Revocation. Here, you will see a list of services. Simply toggle off the one labeled MSA. Remember to wait for about 10 seconds before confirming the revocation. Next, let's tackle personalized ad recommendations. These ads are often tailored to your usage habits, which can feel intrusive. To disable them, open Settings, then go to Passwords and Security and tap on Privacy. Within the Privacy section, you will find Ad Services. Simply toggle off the option for personalized ad recommendations. This helps ensure your data isn't used to show you targeted advertisements, improving your overall privacy. Finally, you can reduce ads within specific pre-installed applications. Many Xiaomi system apps, such as My Browser, Themes, or Music, have their own ad settings. You'll need to open each of these apps individually, navigate to their respective settings, and look for options like Receive Recommendations or Show Ads. Disabling these toggles within each app will help you gain more control over the advertisements you encounter.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.